It's all about the challenge. It drives us to work harder, faster, better. Challenges that are new and different capture our team's passion. It's what makes us so good at what we do. I spent over 20 years in the semiconductor equipment manufacturing industry, and I found that no 2 days are alike. Our highly skilled team of engineers and programmers focus on custom specifications and requirements for every unique system. My time in the military taught me how to share lessons in discipline and teamwork. We rely on each other. There's a level of trust and support, and we treat each other this way. It reflects how we treat our valued customers. Our team has more than 30 years of experience designing and manufacturing automation systems and robotic components. And with that deep level of industry knowledge, our customers can expect what we call the Hein Advantage: unprecedented quality in manufacturing, collaborative customization and design, as well as trustworthy and dependable support. Since 2009, we've served original equipment manufacturers globally in the semiconductor and related industries.
We're headquartered in St. Petersburg, Florida, with satellite locations throughout Europe and Asia. Our state-of-the-art facility and in-house manufacturing capabilities allow us to pass through cost-effective and reliable solutions quickly to our customers. Our integrated systems enable tool automation for process equipment manufacturers supporting multiple semiconductor applications.
For our robotic components, we offer arms, aligners, elevators, and cassette load ports for vacuum and atmospheric applications. All Hein Automation robotic components are compatible with ultra-clean environments. Experience the Hein Advantage in moving your technology by working with us on your next custom design project, contract manufacturing needs, and your rebuilding or repairing robotic component needs.